CUBOT is making a comeback with its bestseller KingKong series in 2021. The new rugged smartphone that is on its way from CUBOT is KingKong 5 Pro, which will be released soon, packing a bunch of exciting features. The KingKong 5 Pro will boast a massive 8000 mAh battery rated to offer between 4 to 5 days of use in a single full charge with normal usage. Apart from the battery, the KingKong 5 Pro features custom dual speakers. The company has put in more effort to make speakers sound great on this phone than any of its previous devices. As you expect from the rugged smartphone, the KingKong 5 Pro is waterproof, dustproof and drop-proof. It hosts 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. In terms of optics, there is a 48MP rear camera, while in the front we have a 25MP selfie shooter. Needless to say, the KingKong 5 Pro runs on the latest stock Android 11 edition with no bloatware. With its build quality and battery, the KingKong 5 Pro indeed will be a new king in the rugged smartphone area, and CUBOT is now running a huge giveaway campaign ahead of its official unveiling. As such, you have the chance to win 10 units of the KingKong 5 Pro by participating in this giveaway. CUBOT official links are down below the video, and don't forget to click on them. Good luck to all, see you soon in the next video, bye.